Hey, as you can see here, this is my cast iron skillet and absolutely I didn't take any care of it. You can see all the rust. It's not in a very bad shape because I left it in my oven, but it was not seasoned. So you can see all those rust spots. And today I'm going to show you how to clean it because probably a lot of you have this issue. Let's cook American food. But it's not American food. Well, it's not American food. I will start with some apple cider vinegar. You can use white vinegar. The only reason I'm not using white vinegar for this is I don't have any. Just a little bit and I will let it... The acid will help loosening the rusty area and then we're gonna scrub it and clean it. You can skip this step if your cast iron is not as bad as mine. I'm adding a cup of water with it just to have as much volume as possible. The more you add water, the slower your acid will work. I'm gonna let it sit like this for about half an hour to an hour and then I will come back to finish working on it. Another thing you can do with it is just submerge it in a big bucket of vinegar. That will also do the trick. But I'm not trying to go all over the board with it because it's not that rusty anyway, and I'm sure just a stainless steel loofah or whatever they call them will do it. Like this will definitely do the trick, but I'm just lazy, that's why I'm doing the acid part. Alright, half an hour later, as you can see, nothing really looked different. I just put this plate down there so I can catch any splashes or stuff, which probably not gonna work as I'm intending it to work. So what I'm gonna do next is just rubbing it with this stainless steel loofah, whatever they call those things. You know, I'm gonna move it to the sink because I will have more control over there. And now we're gonna commit the biggest crime against cast iron skeletons and use soap to clean it. Alright, next step, we're gonna put it on a high heat on the top of the stove to dry it as much as possible. You can use a paper towel too or a normal towel, but heat works the best. I mean, you can use combination of both. Meanwhile, preheat your oven to the highest setting you can reach it. Mine can reach up to 550. If yours can reach up to 480 and above, you should be good. Alright, now that it dried, make sure you don't burn yourself. Next step, we're gonna coat it with oil. You can use whatever oil you like with a kind of a lower smoking point. A lot of people like to use avocado oil or coconut oil. I'm just gonna use our good old olive oil. That's probably too much. The idea right now is we are gonna coat it and make sure that every single side of it is 100% coated. And this stage called seasoning your cast iron. After the whole thing is coated, I like to take another piece of paper towel and dry the axis. Alright, and then it goes to your preheated oven for an hour. Put it this way, I think it's better than this way, but I don't know if it actually makes a big difference. So I did one thing off camera. I just did another coat of oil and then put it for another hour in the oven, and this is the final result. You can see all that rusty spots are not there anymore. And it looks shiny like new. That's how you take care of them. And it's not very hard. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Blah blah blah. See you again later. Bye.